remember one day during the middle of our first semester of my sophomore year, me, Jamal, and Travis was walking from the gym after practice to the cafeteria. We stopped in our student mailboxes so we could check out our midterm grades. All right, Travis opened up his envelope. He was a pre-med major. Right now he's a podiatrist. He's one of the best podiatrists, and he's living in Indianapolis right now. Me and him are still best friends to this day. But when he opened his envelope and looked at his grades, he looked at his courses and said, biology, chemistry, statistics, A. And he had all A's and 2 B's. He's like, yeah, boy. He's like, let's go. And then Jamal got his envelope out of the mailbox. He opened up his envelope. He was also a pre-med major. He had classes like zoology, statistics, philosophy, physics. And when he read his grades down the line, he said, A. He's like, yes, sir. He was like, let's go. Him and Travis gave each other a big high five. I opened up my envelope, I looked at my grades, and I hurried up and put them back in my backpack. This is what my grades look like. Travis and Jamal was like, Don, what your grades look like, bro? I'm like, man, don't even worry about my grades, man. I'm so happy for y'all. Y'all killing it, man. Keep up the great work. I'm proud of y'all. And I never showed them my grades. To be honest with you, I was ashamed, embarrassed, disappointed, unconfident in myself, and I, again, thought that I was probably going to have to drop out of college.